Hi, I'm Logan with Betenbough Homes. Today we're going to show you how to reprogram your sprinkler timers. Today we'll be looking at our start times, run times, and our water days. So just turn your dial to start times and you'll notice that there are 4 options for start times. Now start times are not zone specific. When you have a start time, it'll run through all of your zones at that start time. So just set that one start time. All right, now we have one start time set, but if you would like to start a second start time on yours or modify your second start time, you can just change that time with the plus and minus arrows. It does start at midnight and you can go up or down through the day. To change your run times, change your dial to run times. You can change zones by hitting the right arrow and the left arrow. You may have 3 zones, you may have more than 4 zones depending on your yard size. You do have 2 types of heads for your sprinkler system. One is a rotary head, which usually requires a little bit more time since it is not in one location and it rotates left and right. You also have a stationary head for your side yards and smaller areas. They don't require as much time, and so on zone 2 we have that with only 5 minutes. Turn the dial to watering days, and right now we are set to water every day, and you'll notice that there is a drop of water. To change your days on here, you go right or left to select the day you'd like to change, and then up is to turn it on and down is to turn it off, and you'll notice that it's crossed out on the menu. You can select any day in any order and turn it off to make an adjustment. To turn on a station manually, go to Manual 1 station and select the zone that you'd like to turn on by selecting the right or left arrows, and then turn your dial to run, and you'll notice here that the symbol is indicating that it is on. And you can hear that it is on. If you liked the video you just saw, please feel free to like and subscribe our channel. If you have more questions or comments about future videos, please leave them down below.